Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I'm making banana pancakes. The first ingredient is honey, baking powder. You can use 3 or 4 eggs. Then cooking salad, adds baking flour. You can use any flour of your choice. I'm also going to be using pasture lala. It's more like yogurt, plain yogurt. Then rosemary and bananas, of course. So the first step is washing the bananas. Then you peel them as you put them into the blender. I found this to be the easiest way of mixing ingredients when it comes to baking, or making anything that involves flour. So I'm going to mix all those ingredients into my blending jug, and also flax seeds. I can't forget flax seed, I love them. Then I'm also going to add a piece of tangawizi or ginger. So for my recipe I used 3 eggs. And the honey I used For the honey I used 3 teaspoons. And then I am going to blend this. I also decided to put the baking powder in this mixture that is blending instead of adding it to the flour. I don't know why I decided that, but I think it really worked out well for this recipe. So you guys just follow what I'm doing in the video and you're going to make really good banana pancakes. So for the flour I used 3 cups, but small cups, the 150 milliliter cups. And then I just used a whisk to just mix this flour while continuing to add the lala, or you can even add milk during this process to make the mixture as light as possible. I usually don't like thick pancakes, so I usually make sure that the flour mixture is really not so thick and not so runny. As I said, I am going to use oil, but I don't usually use oil on my pan, so that is why I added it into the flour during the mixing period. Now when I'll be frying these pancakes, I'm just going to be pouring the mixture on the pan and heating it without even using oil. So that is the advantage of using oil in the mixture directly. You're not going to be using a lot of oil on the pan, and that way you're not going to have pancakes that are really melting of oil. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Enjoy. You can serve these delicious pancakes with either caramel syrup or chocolate syrup or any other syrup or topping of your choice. That's it for today. Thank you for coming by. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not.